I'm Justin Tuinstra with Douglas Elliman. Welcome to Penthouse 6DA. We're in the center of NoMad here at Madison House on East 30th Street. Penthouse 6DA is situated almost 700 feet in the sky. It has a private outdoor terrace, triple exposure, double height ceilings. Oh, and every room in this house is perfectly designed. Come with me, I'll give you a tour. Just past the entry corridor, you enter what I like to call the Grand Salon, for obvious reasons. I know I've mentioned the ceiling heights here, 23 feet to be exact, but do you realize how tall that is? This chic living room is anchored by this double height marble-clad fireplace. I mean, talk about a hearth in the heavens. This is it. Imagine cocktail hour here with your best friends, a roaring fire, and the city right at your feet. And did I mention the views? Because of the unique location of this building, there's river-to-river views, sunrise to sunset. Have you ever seen the Empire State Building like this? Everywhere you look, there's another postcard view. From New York, with love. Now this dining area gives all new meaning to dinner with a view. And this mirrored wall will make all your guests feel like they're floating in the clouds. After dinner, let me show you the ideal place for a nightcap. This 200 square foot terrace gives you a front row seat to the greatest show on earth. Put your feet up here, a romantic dinner over there. Can you imagine? This eat-in kitchen is so welcoming. With organic materials and custom cabinetry, you know this will be the heart of the home. There's Calcutta marble on the backsplash and this island, which has a waterfall edge. And all the best appliances, of course. There's no better place to start your day than with a cup of coffee right here. This is a true and rare 5-bedroom home with 3 bedrooms on this wing alone. 2 of them are actually configured differently. One is this moody den, the other is a corner office suite that would make any CEO green with envy. This is where you run an empire. Now, let's head up to the primary suite of your dreams. 1,000 square feet of pure bliss. Check out this swanky lounge area. It's outfitted with a walnut and marble wet bar. Perfect for a morning coffee or a late night cocktail. And there's 2 luxurious bathrooms. I mean, you gotta have 2. And of course, there's the views, and more views. Here you can see from the Chrysler Building and beyond. It's been a pleasure showing you around in what I feel is the best penthouse in the neighborhood. Thanks for coming and see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.